In this video, I want to apply face swapping on two photos. So let's pretend we have a fitness AI influencer and we want to have two photos of this influencer in the gym. First of all, I chose my model, which is realistic vision. And now I will try to create two good images of the scenes of this model. Okay, so let's create an image of a beautiful woman, young, brunette. She's in the gym, she's athletic, she's happy. And I will increase the sampling steps to 27 and I will increase the batch size to 4 because I really need to get, hopefully from the first try, 2 good images. While this image is loading, I will prepare the prompt for the other window. So for the face, I will use this prompt. Beautiful woman, young, brunette, light skin, pale, happy face, green eyes, face portrait. I will increase the sampling steps to 28 and I'll say batch size 2. This shows that it's loading, so I'm just gonna wait and I will not generate since I have other 4 images that are generating here. Let's see the results of our scenes. We may need to create them again if we are not lucky. I like this one and I will use the second one too, just because the only thing that I don't like here is the face. It seems unrealistic to me, but the background and the body, they're very well done. So I will focus on using these 2 main photos. I'm disregarding this one because of the hand. It looks a bit weird to me, and also here it's unrealistic on how this model is holding the bar. So I will pick the first 2. I will save them on my local. Wonderful, and now let's run it for the face. Hopefully we'll get a good result here too. I think this model is beautiful. The one on the right, she has green eyes, which is something that I wanted, so I will save this image. Now that all the images are saved, I want to add them in Discord and I will show you how to use Pixie AI on them. First, what we need to do is type save ID. Then we need an ID name, which is going to be the name of our model. Let's call her Vanessa. And then we need to add the image. So I will add the image of the portrait. Then click on enter. And we can see ID name Vanessa created. Now what we need to do is to upload the other 2 images. So I'm clicking here, upload, and I'm gonna select these 2 images. For each of these images, I want to right click, app, in swapper. Because it's not able to take 2 images at a time, I will upload the second image. Right click app and in swapper. Okay, now our images have been created, so let me show you before and after. Before the image, after we applied face swapping, and our faces model. We can see it's the same girl. Of course, the better the image quality, the better the face swapping. Face swapping with this technique doesn't work 100% of the time, so sometimes you may try to apply face swapping to a photo where if the quality is low or if the position of the model is more difficult, face swapping may not work, but in most cases it will work fine. And you can also see after each use, we can see how many credits we used. So I think it's around 3 credits per image. Unfortunately, in the beginning I applied face swapping on the same image too many times, but you can get at least 10 to 15 images per day for free with this Pixie AI. Now that you know how to use Stable Diffusion to create images, you know how to write good prompts, you have seen how to create scenes and portraits and you know how to apply face swapping. I will show you in the next video how Midjourney can speed your process by at least 10 times. I love Midjourney. The quality of the images is very high. It works very well with Pixie AI too, so you will use the same face swapping technique. There is nothing different. But I will explain to you how Midjourney works, how to write prompts, some of the settings, and I will show you the lowest paid subscription, which is very low. It's around $10 a month, which I definitely think it's worth it because it works much better than Stable Diffusion. With Stable Diffusion, there's a lot of trial and error. There are many times when you need to edit the prompts, to change the settings, to keep generating, to get the desired look that you want, while Midjourney is more advanced and it's easier to use. And this is why I also recommend Midjourney for anybody that wants to create a business as an AI influencer.